Here we will show how to determine whether a prong needs to be retipped. There are two reasons that a prong needs retipping. One is when there is no metal on top of the stone. The other is when there is only a thin layer of metal on top of the stone. From this angle, it looks like only one of the prongs on the center stone need to be retipped. Notice how there is gold in 1, 2, 3 places, but here the prong is completely broken off. This needs to be retipped because if the customer breaks off one more prong, the stone will fall out. Now let's look at the ring from the side. Notice that there is a distinct dome of gold over here, but a very thin layer of gold here. This prong needs to be retipped because it is not going to last very long. Every prong on every piece of jewelry that comes in for a repair must be examined from these two angles to determine if the stones are safe. Even if it is a ring that comes in just for a sizing, you must examine the prongs because the customer trusts she is leaving it with experts who are going to take care of her. If it becomes very costly and the customer doesn't want to have the work done, just advise them not to wear it every day or to come back and have it checked in 6 months. Then, in the condition notes field below the item description field, write that the customer knows the prongs are thin. This does two things. It lets the jeweler know that you didn't miss anything, and it protects the store from liability if a stone does fall out in a month. You'll find the price for prong retipping on page 3 of the price laminates. This diamond is 2.7 millimeters, so we need to quote the price for small diamonds. $45 for the first one and $20 for the second. If it is a diamond, ruby, or sapphire, use this price. If it is not, you must get an estimate from the jeweler.